Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Yelp business account detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Yelp business account, start by visiting the Yelp for Business website. Click on the Manage My Free Listing button. Enter your business name in the search bar. If your business appears in the search results, select it. If your business does not appear, click on the Add Your Business to Yelp option. Fill in the necessary details about your business. This includes your business's name, address, phone number, and category. Once you've entered all required information, click on the Continue button. Verify that your business details are accurate in the next screen. Read and agree to the Yelp Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. After agreeing, click the Claim This Business button. You will now need to create an account by entering an email address and a password. Once you've filled in the information, click the Sign Up button. Check your email for a verification message from Yelp. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the Yelp for Business site and log in to your account. Once logged in, complete your business profile by adding photos and additional information. Make sure to update your business hours and any special services you offer. After completing your profile, click on the Submit button to save your changes. Your Yelp business account is now activated and ready for use. Engage with your customers and keep your information updated for the best results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.